The Meghalaya BJP has launched the Sadysyata Abhiyan membership drive at its state office to bolster its base ahead of the district council polls and Gambegre by-elections. The initiative, led by key figures including Cabinet Minister A.L. Heck and State President Rickmanji Momin, featured a specially crafted campaign song and video. The drive aims to renew existing memberships and recruit new members, aligning with the party's constitutional requirements.
This membership drive, it's usually done every 5 years. So today, as from a state, from Meghalaya state, we have started today. We have launched it to our minister and convener A.L. Heckji. And nationally, yesterday, I think we have known about it through Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. So there's a target for us also, around 2 lakhs. So we'll be doing that. So other than that, we will be starting all over Meghalaya.